So the next thing we're gonna do is finish adding those cards, and that's just gonna finish out these two little boxes here. So for this section, again, I'm gonna click card, go in, use my arrow there. This one's gonna fill up that entire space, and it wants to put it in the middle, but I have to make sure that it doesn't. Let me put it off center so I can move it how I want to. It's fighting me a little bit. Okay, so I think that's good, close enough. So I'm gonna have that one there. I'm gonna copy and paste one right next to it. But this one I actually want to split into two. So I'm gonna split that one there, copy again, and then paste the last one here. So now they're all nice and lined up. So now we have those three cards in place. So for this first one, I want this to be the total number of students enrolled for each particular institution. So I'm going to click enrollment. So it's showing the count of enrollment. So I'm going to change that to some. So the next thing I'm going to click is this box here. And I want this one to be the year that the institution was founded. So I'm going to click founded here. And this one's doing count of founded. And actually, this is another one because it's showing those mathematical values. We need to go in again within the data model and then change it from, in this case, we're going to change it from a whole number and we're going to actually use it. We want it to be a string of text. So for both the year that it opened and then the year that it was closed, which is going to be this bottom one, we need to go and change it in our data model. So let's quickly do that. So open data model. I think we already have an instance opened. So I'm gonna close that. So open data model, click edit. And so that was closed. We'll do that one first. And for the data type, we're just gonna change that to, well, data type, change that to text. So once I change the data type, it changed the format as well. So we did the same thing for found it. Change the data type to text. So it changes it there. Let's go and check, make sure it's good. So here, let's give it a minute. So count, we're gonna change from count and let's just do first found it. And for year closed, we'll just do first. So perfect. So now we have the total number of students enrolled, the year that an institution was founded, and the actual year that it was closed if it's not a school that's still open. So now we have something, we have enough that we can click through and check the interactivity of our models. Again, we're going to come back through and clean a lot of this up. But this is what we're working with so far, and it's looking good. So we already have some different variations. We can see public versus private in the legend there. We've got the order from greatest to least, and we can scroll to the right there to see they go down quite a bit. But we're going to give ourselves even more options for filtering here in a few minutes.